Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the police say they are maintaining a strong presence in the Ellerslie Pen community of St. Catherine, which was a scene of pandemonium between themselves and residents Wednesday morning.
The police have also released the names of several men they're trying to get a hold of for questioning.
Now, as you'll hear in this report, the police units were damaged while the officers tried to carry out the operation.
The police say they went to the community to apprehend a man they identified as Ronil Hope. Things got ugly as they were about to leave with him. We were told that residents began hurling stones and other implements at the lawmen. It was at that time the man they came for escaped. Their service vehicles were also damaged.
4 service vehicle tires were slashed.
The police say, upon realizing that the situation had escalated, they took non-lethal action to prevent any loss of life or to prevent further damage to their service vehicles.
Citizens then blocked several roadways. They lit fires to debris along some of the roads leading to Ellerslie Pen. The police, with the help of members from the Jamaica Fire Brigade, managed to clear the roadways.
A resident, however, claimed she was roughed up by the police officers who entered her house asking several questions. She is also accusing the officers of physical abuse.
One of them box me and I drop and I lick up my back, and then 2 of them come over me and I hold me by my marina and I draw me out. So I hold on to another 2 of them foot because them a draw me, so I hold on to another 2, and that's when the next one come and thump me on my head side. Then them lift me up and throw me out and literally throw me and I land right at the door and I lick up. And me and one of them out there start wrestle because them push me and kick me out the door and say stay out there. So
the police are now asking the following men to present themselves for questioning: Ronil Hope or Ron, Tajrin Balfour, Glenn White or Bally, Kevin White or Twin, Shamar Demar or Boise, a man known only as Ranger or Prezi. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.